Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this particular tutorial series, we are looking into the MAAB guideline. And in this particular chapter, we will be seeing the MAAB guideline related to Stateflow. So this entire segment is being divided into 6 parts. So first is the chart appearance. So it is somehow similar to Simulink appearance. Then chart data and flow operation. Then we will be seeing event, how you should organize event in a Stateflow chart, and different chart patterns. So what are the state chart patterns that are available and how we should use them in the MAAB guideline. And next is different flowchart patterns. So as we already know, we have different flowchart patterns that are available in the Stateflow. So those we will be seeing, like how we can use it according to the MAAB guideline. And then state chart architecture. So how you should organize all the blocks inside the Stateflow chart. So about that we will be seeing in a detail. So this is all about the Stateflow chapter, and which is the chapter 7. It is somehow similar to the chapter 6, which is the chapter of Simulink, but there will be many variations available in this particular chapter compared to the Simulink one. So in the coming tutorial, we will start with the chart appearance, and we will see how we should have the chart organized based on its appearance. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment section. In case you are new to the channel, please stay subscribed for updated content. Have a great day ahead and happy learning math. Thank you.